And so it's a skill in itself to be able to follow your truth and make decisions from a place of honesty, integrity, and alignment. Now, the cost, it may cost you a lot to follow your truth. It may cost you your entire family. It may cost you several relationships and several connections and things that matter to you. And so now you're at this point of deciding, what will I choose to value? These facets of my life that don't truly represent me at my core, or will I choose myself at the sacrifice of these things that don't even honor me, that don't even align with me and my values in the first place? I mean, those are the two decisions you have. It's what will you sacrifice? Will you continue to sacrifice yourself at the cost of your truth? Or will you choose to sacrifice the things that you've learned to value over your truth? Or I think I said, or will you choose to value your truth at the cost of these misaligned things, people, and places?